People have more or less fair idea about hair fixing nowadays, right? They get a lot of information from media, advertisements, etc. But they don't know the actual process actually. So what do you do with such a potential customer who has already done a lot of research and he wants a better upliftment in his personality? How do you go about that customer?
It's a pretty interesting question. Customers, when they come to us, the basic stuff which we need to identify is the need of the customer. Need in terms of what is the kind of requirement he has. Customers can be of different age groups, starting on from 20, we are seeing hair loss, 30s, 40s. At times what happens is the pain would have become a latent pain. A 20-year-old boy or a youngster comes for hair fixing. He might be dying to, have hair, to get the hair back, which he has lost at a very early stage of life. Hair, of course, is a need for the day and need for the generation. Styling of hair, and who don't like it? So, that's what I was telling. Customers come and sit in front of us with hundreds of queries in their mind. Confused. What is what? Whether it is surgical or non-surgical, or they want to go about something on the surgical transplantation, or whether they want to implant something on the head, whether we go against the bio methods, or whether we go along with the temporary systems. So we have to identify their need first, make them understand, okay, this is what surgical side is, this is what the non-surgical side is. So heads basically focus only on the non-surgical hair fixing procedure.